Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something really cool here with me inside this pouch over here. We're gonna do a quick review about this guy, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So really quick, what do we have inside this pouch? So first of all, of course, you know Holt Bladeworks, they make the Speceter and they make the haptic. These pouches were given away at shows, so usually this kind of knife comes in a box, but here you have the pretty cool pouch. Inside you find this little envelope here, which contains the .035 hex wrench, which is the tool that you're gonna need to adjust the detent strength. And here you're gonna see you have your NFC card. You just put this close to your phone and it's gonna give you all the information regarding your knife, and it's a pretty cool thing indeed. And inside of this pouch, what do we have? We have a pretty cool Holt Bladeworks Speceter Prestige V3 in the house, guys. This is, look at this, this is just pure fantastic mid-tech gorgeousness. Overall length of this knife is going to be 8.2 inches with a 4.5 inch long blade and 3.5 inch long 4.5 inch long handle and 3.5 inch long blade. This is really cool. It's a titanium frame lock. Beautifully done in USA by the Holts, and it's one of my favorite knives, especially this one, which has a beautiful fade anodization, which start from these purple and go and fades out to this blue teal kind of thing. Just gorgeous, guys. The milling lines are fantastic. This is a bent starburst pattern with this bullseye pivot, green anodized. This guy is sporting a Damascus clip with a matching Damascus backspacer, and of course you saw a Dama steel blade, which is just ridiculously good. This guy is fantastic. The sound, guys, it's a nice clickety-clackety sound. Weighs in at 3.6 ounces. Beautiful fit and finish. The clip is just gorgeous, just fantastic. Nice and strong spring tension. The grip is just perfect. There's no hot spots. Really functional and cool jimping. Super smooth action. Really fast deployment. The closing action is, guys, I mean, it's like ridiculously good. Detent, adjustable. You can have it strong, you can have it light. It's running on bearings, and it's just fantastic. I really like this guy. But hey, don't forget to check out my full-length review, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.